The Cal Online platform, you can invest in treasury bills, you can invest in unit trust funds, you can swap between these investments, and we are bringing in equities as well into the picture. So you can pretty much have a full suite of all these investment products in just one digital platform. When it comes to investment, I think the ability to make decisions faster, quicker, and the flexibility to do whatever you want with your money really matters. And also the level of options you have. So whether I want to invest my money in 1 month or 3 months, or whether I have my risk appetite is very low or very high, you should be able to match any of the investment products to your needs. So that's what we are trying to achieve through Cal Online platform as well, is first to allow access to anyone in Sri Lanka, pretty much democratize access to these capital market products through our platform, and also in turn give you a lot more options in terms of products and services. So whether it is to lock your money up for 5-6 years through a treasury bond, or whether it's to invest in unit trust funds and earn interest daily, where you have the flexibility to withdraw or invest any amount or during any time of the day. We want to pretty much give you that entire suite of products under one platform. So in terms of that's where the technology platform really comes into its own, is where we give all of that access pretty much under one roof. I think definitely technology gives access to people to make better decisions quicker and faster. That's one of the primary goals of technology in the financial sector, helping people make better financial decisions and help in turn the economy grow much faster. Role of technology, actually, I think if you take a look at in terms of fintech over the last few years, especially pre-COVID, in the Sri Lankan context, we've been trying to innovate, but adoption has always been a struggle. And that's where COVID came in, and in 2020, we really saw adoption really ramp up in the financial sector, particularly in the digital segment. And that really, in turn, accelerated a lot more innovation, a lot more maturity in the market in terms of customer knowledge and what they want to do. And if you look beyond the financial sector, projects like the fuel QR system and things like that, which were a great success, really made people a lot more comfortable with technology. So that in turn helped drive the adoption of financial products and things like that in Sri Lanka much quicker than we expected. And we saw that at Cal as well, when we had quite a few. We were the first to launch IPOs digitally in Sri Lanka, and we had massive interest, and a lot of investors, more than 20,000 investors turned up to apply for IPOs digitally, which was quite surprising to us to see, and which kind of gave us a good kind of benchmark of how financially savvy the market is in Sri Lanka, which in turn gave us more kind of impetus to go and develop more and better products for Sri Lankans. So we have all the necessary ecosystem kind of in place to develop the technology ecosystem in place to kind of really turbocharge growth of the economy for the next few years. So basically, Cal, if you go back 10-20 years ago, when we started out mainly as a primary dealer, so we were mainly focused on the institutional sector, where we deal with institutions, corporates, and as well as high net worth individuals. And also, as the business grew into other different areas like asset management, stock brokering, corporate finance, obviously the driver or the segment that we looked at was always institutions and corporates and high net worth individuals, particularly when it came to asset management and private wealth management. But what we realized about 6-7 years ago was that combination with technology and these products, what we can really do is we can standardize these products that any person can use. The benefits of using these were not